Hey there, boys and girls. This is Mr. Carl here with another reading lesson. Today, the focus of the lesson is to put it all together. So you might be wondering again, what is putting it all together? So, on the other lessons, we learned that we have this device called the metacognition device. In it, we have different characters that help with our comprehension. Paula helps with predictions. Quincy comes up with the questions. Clara clarifies when we are confused. And the last one we added was Eva. She's like the judge. She makes evaluations. She makes judgments. So, in this reading selection, I'm going to show you how all of those characters come together as you are reading to help you with your comprehension. As we read, you're going to see these explosions. Those are going to give you the cue that there should be some thinking going on when you hit those explosions. It could be questions, it could be prediction, it could be judgments, or it could be that you are simply confused. So let me show you and let's put it all together. Rose Blanch. My name is Rose Blanch. I live in a small town in Germany with narrow streets, old fountains, and tall houses with pigeons on the roof. One day, the first truck arrived. Many men left. They were dressed as soldiers. So my thinking inside my brain is saying, why are men leaving? And why are soldiers coming? Make a prediction, soldiers. From my life experience, I'm thinking of war. Is there a war going on here? Or danger? As you noticed, I have not written full, complete sentences. I just wrote some keywords of what my characters that live inside my device are kind of talking to me, and I'm sharing them, so I'm writing them down so that you can see them. Let's continue. Winter was beginning. Now the trucks followed each other under the school window. They were full of soldiers. We don't know, but they winked at us. Why are the soldiers winking at the kids? I'm just wondering. They drive tanks that make sparks on the cobblestone. They were so noisy and smelled like diesel oil. They hurt my eyes, and I have to hold my nose when they pass by. Sometimes it seems that things haven't really changed. What has not really changed? But my mother wants me to be careful crossing the street between all the trucks. She says soldiers won't slow down. Lots of times I walk by the river just looking at it. What's so interesting about the river? Why is she looking at it? Branches float along, sometimes all broken toys. I like the color of the river. It looks like the sky. The trucks are fun to watch. We stand in the doorway as they pass. We don't know where they're going, but we think they're going somewhere on the other side of the river. Why are they going to the other side of the river? Is there something special there? Or that where the war or danger is? I'm not sure. I'm kind of Paula's making a prediction here. One day, one of them stopped so the soldiers could repair the engine. A little boy jumped from the back of the truck and tried to run away. Hmm. Why do they have a little boy? Why do the soldiers have a little boy? Is he a troublemaker? Is he under arrest? I'm making a prediction again. But the mayor was standing in the middle of the street. He grabbed the little boy by the collar and brought him back to the truck. Then he smiled at the soldiers without speaking, and they thanked him. The sky was gray. I'm going to make a judgment here. I'm going to use some facts from the text. So the mayor was standing on the street. He grabbed the little boy by the collar, and then he brought him back to the soldiers, and then he smiled. So based on all these facts, my judgment is that maybe the mayor and the soldier are a team. They're working together. I'm still not sure why the little boy is arrested, or why he is with the soldiers, or why he's trying to run away. But all those questions and predictions and judgments are coming to my brain as I read. The soldiers climbed back into the truck, doors banged shut, and he pulled away. It happened very fast. I wanted to know where the little boy went, so I watched the truck until it disappeared around the corner. The streets was crowded, kids were playing, there were bicycle farmers, tractors all over. It was noisy, just like every day when school is out. But I walked on the sidewalk ignoring everyone, and no one saw me. I wonder where this character is going. I walked for a long time past the edge of the town into the open fields where I had never been. Okay, from here on, when you do your independent practice, you're going to type some of the thinking that is happening in your brain. So wherever you see type thoughts here, you're going to type. So I'm wondering, why is this little girl going, or this little boy going by himself? To me, that's first thing was why, and my judgment is that's dangerous. Why? Because my life experience telling me when you are alone, where you've never been, that's kind of dangerous. To end this lesson, you're going to finish reading the rest of the selection. When you come to this section right here, you're going to do some independent practice. In it, you're going to type some quick notes of the thinking that is going on in your head. So in here, you're just going to type some of the thinking that is going on in your head. For example, here I'm going to type, but now she knew where the road by heart. There were more children by the wooden house. They were also getting thinner behind the barbed wire. Some of them had a star pin on their shirts. So one little note I can put here is, why do they have stars? Why star? I said no complete sentence. Why stars pinned? Right? Or maybe why behind barbed wire? So maybe I just write why. So that's basically what we want you to do. Hopefully that shows you how to put it all together. See you on the next video.